Have you ever had a dream of creating Hollywood-style videos, but then this happens?
Oh no.
I've been there too. A few years ago, I was working on my first green screen project. I thought, how hard could it be? But what came out looked like a bad sci-fi movie from the 80s. Fast forward to today, I've learned the secrets to creating clean, professional-looking green screen effects, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it in Premiere Pro. No fuss, no confusion. All right, let's get into it. Imagine you've just shot a video in front of a green screen. Maybe it's for a YouTube video, a virtual background, or even a creative short film. Now, it's time to turn that green screen into pure movie magic. Step 1 is super simple. Open Premiere Pro and import your footage. Drag it into your timeline. Step 2 is where the magic begins. Go to the Effects panel and search for Ultra Key. Drag and drop it onto your green screen clip in the timeline. Think of Ultra Key as your magic wand. But just like in any good story, it's not about the wand. It's about knowing how to use it. Step 3. Key out the green. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Ultra Key, you'll see a color picker. Click it, then select the green color in your video. Just like that, the green is gone. But wait, does it look perfect? Probably not yet. Step 4. Fine-tune the details. Here's where the pros separate themselves from the amateurs. Adjust the settings like matte generation, matte cleanup, and spill suppression. Increase transparency if you see rough edges. Adjust contrast to make your subject stand out. And spill suppression? That's how you get rid of any greenish glow around your subject. It's like polishing a diamond. Small tweaks make a big difference. Always light your green screen evenly. Once I was so excited to shoot, I didn't pay attention to lighting. The result? Shadows that made editing a nightmare. Trust me, a well-lit green screen saves you hours of frustration in Premiere Pro. Step 5, add a background. Now for the fun part, adding a background. Drag your chosen background clip or image below your green screen clip in the timeline. And boom, you're transported to anywhere you want to be. One time, I even placed myself in a medieval castle for a fantasy project. The possibilities are endless. Final step, publish. Before you hit export, make sure everything looks seamless. Watch for small green edges or any flickering. Once you're satisfied, export your video and share your masterpiece with the world. And there you have it. Your green screen transformation is complete. Remember, every pro editor started as a beginner. Keep experimenting, and soon you'll be creating effects that wow your audience. Now I want to hear from you. What's the coolest background you've ever imagined yourself in? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a little green screen magic.